Welcome to nearme.life.
Hello, you go to abbulkmiller.com and click download now demo to install the demo, and once the demo gets downloaded you will install it like I have installed it on my. You can see there are SMTP servers through which you can send mails. I have already configured how to add different SMTP servers to the software. To add a new SMTP, you click add account, simply select here say Yahoo account, enter user and password and port and click save. Like I have did this, I can enter per day limit to say 400 for these or whatever limit I want, and I can tell you how to you can add accounts from Gmail, Yahoo, MSN, website also. Let me show you how to add a Yahoo account. You click your user ID and password and click say save button. Very simple. Account has get added. Here in the message is like, if you see, this is the message that we want to send to the users. Button. See, now this is only way is to create a message. Is a message subject. This is the message body. Click close, and in the easy send you go to select the emails that you want to send and click this mail that you want to send. So let me here see I have these much contacts. I create a new contact group here, maybe by clicking group 1. Let me import contacts into it. Import from, I give some file here, it is getting there. Other way would be to do it is like, if you click delete all contacts here, maybe if you have this much these contacts, right, select them, copy, and then click paste here. See, this is some contact I have added. If I go to easy send, if I select this contact, if you check the mail box, if I select say this one mail, if I click send, then it will send mail to your contacts, and if you check here, mail is returned here. If I want to send say a lot of mails, say I'll choose super fast mode this time. Now if I click send now, you will see a lot. So I can even reduce this delay between to say 8 seconds or 10 seconds, and mails will go automatically. See, these much mails have been sent. See, if you see, mails are going there, like 4 or 5 mails are going there. It has sent 4 mails. Now it is trying to send more mails. This is the fastest mode of sending mails using abbulkmiller. All mails are personalized. I will recommend you to run this Gmail checker once you are sending these lot of mails. If you have more and more Gmail senders, this will automatically prevent your accounts from getting blocked. So like I do, I can tell you a lot of marketing things that I do here in AB objects. See, I also have some Twitter poster here. If you go to right click, there is Twitter here. While mails are sending, I have sort of a lot of Twitter messages that I want to post on Twitter. So this thing is getting me automatically a lot of followers on the Twitter. Mails are being sent using the software, and you can even check with the history of the mails here, maybe quick mailing history. These much mails have gone there, and this is fully automation here. Or even if what senders are using here, you can even check those senders. So it's automatically timer based system here. So a lot of things are going here. Mails are going on. Mails are on Twitter getting posted. if you go to the settings, uh, it will show you want to send this delay supposed to 8 or 12. You can mention it, what header generation you want to create, what headers you want to use for the software, outgoing character set to mail, from mail. If you have your own server, you can use it from email. You may use a different email address, and then you have change reply id here. That is when mail is going multiple ids, so here you can set reply id or never set reply id. And even you can even change the theme to say like I do, and theme of for this application actually changes to that. And if you go to see check for, here can do a lot of things like explore, fixes, about us. And uh, now moving back to this messages, here one thing different I will show you is I have here 30 different subjects. So system automatically rotates those 30 different subjects, so you can enter a different id, different here, different subject. Every subject will be different, and this way you can have a unique subjects. You can have rotating bodies. You have 50 rotating body here. See, I want to hear hello. Now this will go to this will use this second message would use this body instead of this body. So you have different 50 types of bodies. You can attach files here. Spantex is something new, I will show you. Let me save it. Now go to rotating options, go to Spantex. What is Spantex? See, if you have some message like this thing in your message body, and you type it there. See, if I save it, so this at these braces are automatically rotated. I will tell you one thing. If you go to click here, test suppose 20 combinations. So like if you see in every message, this sentence is getting changed. So you can have multiple sentence spantex expressions in your message. So mail format is text or HTML. One more thing I want, in the easy send there are a lot of things. If you want to sort it by say by this, you will import by this thing. You select a contact group from which to import. Now I'll show you what to, and these are the different fields, optional fields. These are insertable. You can insert them to the messages. Like in the messages you want to insert I will show you template here templates, find templates. This contains some templates here. See, field 2 would be automatically substituted. Field 3, sending time would be automatically substituted. Email address up to the sender would be automatically received, substituted. And contact name, whatever contact name you have mentioned here for this, so you can automatically mention that. You have it is splitting of group mails. Suppose you are dot of suppose click it, say you are in 7. So this is sort of automation here actually. But for Twitter here, actually if you go to social marketing, here you have to import, enter user ID of your Twitter user ID, password. And if I have this message, I have created different messages in the text file, and then in the software I have right click and import, and I can import from it from here normally. So like you'll do a lot of shuffle, you can shuffle them, you can horizontal shuffle them, you can save them, and then user ID, the link that you want to promote, user ID, password, messages, and click close. In the Facebook also you have to enter user ID of the I will add here, and if I want to post it to Twitter or maybe Facebook this time, see it will automatically log into the pages there. For Twitter, if you want to hear, you can simply select this and click post message, so that a message would be posted automatically on the Twitter in different hashtags. See, wait 1 second. If I use a different hashtags, for example, this one was automatically posted on the hashtag, so it will bring more and more business for you from the Twitter. This is a hashtag, and see, message getting posted here automatically. For passion, if you see the passion here, in the passion hashtag, this is automatically comes. That way it is more becomes more and more searchable. And similarly, if you right click go to all logs, you'll see the mails that Hub system has sent. And right click maybe mailing history. These are different mails. You can even for the mails, to register, go to register screen. You need to keep this file license.ndb on desktop that we purchase, and click on this, enter new name, click this, is registered. And if you want to change your company name here, you can go to here. So it automatically comes up there. For additional headers, suppose you want some additional headers that for the mails, to outgoing mails, you can set them here, right? So if you want to right click this, click delete key. If you have a lot of emails here, if you click verify here, so verify mails, it does automatically verification of emails, and you can remove them. You can even right click and import it. You can then add to your blacklist. See, incorrect mails are these ones, correct ones are these ones. You can export them. Likewise, if you have current contact group is different, maybe it will show. See, if I have this contact group, if I go to verifier, I can do a lot of verification again. So verify mails, these are by default, these are blacklist. You can see if there is someone, and then simply add them to blacklist. See, you can even delete them, or you can verify them normally from the server. So this way, more and more clean mails, better the delivery. Discuss email extractor. See, I have some given the operator some key and then country. I can mention any country. Click Google search here. So system will automatically search internet and give us different emails from internet, and to make contacts by clicking this thing. So for extractor, there is small thing that you need to create set keys. If you want to say create key on your Gmail for this software, you have to create you have to go visit this page, and here it will show you how to create a key. Basically, you have to create a browser key, and you have to identify what the API key is, and then you have to simply enable here this customer CSC, custom search, and when it's enabling, you have to enter this enable this credentials, and then you have to identify add those websites from which you want to search, and then you have to copy it here. Basically, API key and search engine, these are the two important things that you need. And make sure that while adding here websites, you choose that option. Let me search the entire web but emphasize included sites. That's second option here. Then I will tell you there are a lot of things here. You can do a lot of stuff here. If you go to logs here, click say all the emails from this are extracted, right? So there is other functionality here, so I will tell you what that is. If you put this as the link, starting link, then its system will automatically search all the links in it, like it will check this link, it will check other links on the page and extract from every page, every that is in every link that is there. Then for settings again, since mail is go using multiple IDs, so when replies reach somebody, here you can check the mails that have got bounces. Let's check this one, get bounces. You can check a lot of which mails got bounce of, or if somebody has replied to you from some mail. You can do same for Yahoo accounts or extra. Bounce mails, you can add them to blacklist, and you can have your own own pop server also. You need to give that incoming of that pop server, then it will, you can check the pop account also. Click copy. If you go to say quick email, paste, automatic pasted there here. So you know you need to save some message here and click send button simply. Or simply if I go to this easy send, right click, clear, right click, paste. Okay, you can do a lot of stuff from these. And there is one more thing I would like to reckon even way with. BCC mode is a faster mode, like 20 or 30 or 90 mails at a time will be sent. Similarly, you can try to insert some here, some fields like custom field, say field 5, and you can save it, or you can even if you have, you can even use some template here, save your this template to save template to suppose any value you want. So like it is coming there, the website, and you can click all the mails to make it them unique. See, also there are 30 subjects. If you use a color, see, if you click make unique, copy from main, so like if you clear it, go here, see, go to rating, copy from main subject, copy. Okay, you can here shuffle them a bit, shuffle them. Okay, there's a lot of stuff you can do here. You can even schedule messages, like say if you want to schedule this message to say today is 1st January, you can say after 1 second from tomorrow, 1 minute from tomorrow. It's a contact group that is being sent and that is being used to be used. You can select a contact group, and repeat day is when the mail will be sent next. In the meantime, I will use a user guide. You can click on the user guide. We have SMTP server. Here you can import them from you can delete all and reset all count. You should not basically use it. You can import from text file like this thing. See, this is copied, Control S, desktop. You can save them from desktop, and like current log mails are being sent to this. Okay, so scheduling is running, this one at the bottom. So scheduling is there. In case limits are crossed, like if mails are getting sent, if you are sending them mails to different people, and if internet gets disconnected, see server back, you can cancel them simply. See, and there is for extractor, there is also, you can extract from any website guide. Say it will show you for Yahoo, if accounts are not getting edited, you go to manual here and check whatever is given there. See, I will tell you how to fix it. Say I want to add a Gmail account. See, I will get a wrong password here. If I click save, do is I need to access this, and you have to click pop enabling and then turn on. So you have to, for Yahoo accounts, you have to enable pop by visiting this link. Let us take a small case. Here I have different servers with 100 per hour limit, but 99 has been sent. So let me try to see what happens to while sending mails. This one, see, mail is being sent to this. So first mail has been sent. Now it will wait for 12 seconds and see, it shows limit exceeds. So system will automatically wait till SMTP server is available. Maybe if you have some other server like sometimes you can do it. Suppose whatever, you can mention it, but you should not actually do it setting the limit automatically. The system automatically waits till limits are reset by servers. Other things I want to tell you, see, we have this mailing history, this health of senders. Senders should have be healthy to send mails. There's a Gmail sender here, you can log in automatically to it. See, it shows the different mails. See, it shows some mails that is there. Yahoo Center is also automatically there. You can log into Yahoo accounts. You can also check the latest mails from different Gmail senders, so you can check whether there are any responses. Mail this. Let me try to send BCC mode, say 90 mails at a time, and I'll try to send these. Let's run this Gmail checker in Parler while sending mails. So this prevents your mails from getting blocked, those senders from getting the log right now. These much have been sent automatically. So it, see, the mail that is going on. Spandex is sort of message new funda that we have used here. You should use it because it's a better option for enabling in this inbox rate. This enables Spandex, but and you can also provide a name for your newsletter here. So scheduling, here you can enable the contact, you can mention the correct contact group to which you are mailing, and for settings here you should change this header key, maybe for better inbox rate. Delay should be 13 or 14 seconds, and help shows you some problems and solutions, and you can export your contacts to flat files, so for future use. Out from Excel, and see, I want to import, say, this field and this field. That means 0 and 1 field. So email address is in one field, so one field, this is contact number is 0. Rest of field I don't want. I can browse this field, that is 0 and 1 field, and say last field, say 0, 1 and 2. So 1 contains email address, so I will put it email address as 1. I want 0th column and say second column, that is last column. Click browse, select the file that you want to import, close this file first. See, by clicking this import from CSV file, you can also save your leads to your export, maybe text file or something, text file. See, this way you can do a lot of small stuff. Possible, can suppose you have some possible leads, maybe you are in some process, like you have some email address, you maintain such a list, and in easy send again, if you go to no, pick from possible, so those you can just mail them for a reminder whether you, and contacts again. Here I want to tell you, see, while earlier importing, see, two fields from the Excel are imported. So to insert the field F1, you will go to message, maybe somewhere, maybe insert uh, contact field 1. So field 1 is automatically substituted. Tracking is here defined here. You need to basically create this table in your website in a MySQL or SQL Server database, and then you can have on your website you can uh, put these 3 pages, and you can simply view what emails were opening rate, and you can buy this software guy by clicking this buy now and make payment online at the website. Thank you.